नमो नमः। प्रथमः पाठः आद्यकृषकः पृथुवैन्यः. So the story has been taken from Rig Veda, one of our Indian literature. Rig Veda is India's oldest literature, and this story is about King Pruthu, and his name is Pruthu as well as Vainyah because his father's name was Vaina, King Vaina. So भूपालः पृथुवैन्यः नाम धरायां प्रथमः अभिषिक्तः सम्राट्. प्रयागक्षेत्रे पृथुनृपस्य राजधानी आसीत्. राज्याभिषेकसमये चारणाः पृथुनृपस्य स्तुतिं गातुम् उत्सुकाः. तदा पृथुः आज्ञापयत्, तिष्ठन्तु चारणाः, यावत् मम सद्गुणाः न प्रकटीभवन्ति तावत् अहं न स्तोतव्यः. स्तवनं तु ईश्वरस्य एव भवेत्. स्तुतिगायकाः पृथुनृपस्य एतादृशीं निस्पृहतां ज्ञात्वा प्रसन्नाः अभवन्. Okay, King Prithuvainya was the first coronated king on the earth. The capital of his kingdom or empire was Prayaga region. At the time of coronation, celestial singers was very excited to sing Prithuvainya's praises. Then Prithu ordered, "Stop, celestial singers, stop charanaha. Do not praise me until my good qualities are revealed. Praise be to God, or you should praise God." The singers were pleased after seeing King Prithu's humbleness. एकदा पृथुराजः स्वराज्ये भ्रमणम् अकरोत्. भ्रमणसमये तेन दृष्टं यत् प्रजाः अतीव कृशाः अशक्ताः च. ताः प्रजाः पशुवत् जीवन्ति, निकृष्ट अन्नं खादन्ति. तद्दृष्ट्वा राजा चिन्ताकुलः जातः. तदा पुरोहितः अवदत्, हे राजन्, धनधान्यादि सर्वं वस्तुजातं वस्तुतः वसुन्धरायाः उदर एव वर्तते. तत् प्राप्तुं यतस्व. So once King Prithu traveled or toured in his own kingdom. During the tour, he saw that people in his country are so weak and very thin. The people were living like animals and they were eating very inferior or substandard food or bad food. After seeing that, the king was become very worried. Then a royal priest said, "O king, all things are like cereals and all dhanadhanya is inside the earth. These things are inside the earth. Tat praptum yatasva. Try to get that." तदा पृथुभ्रूपेण तदर्थं धनुः सज्जीकृतं. तदा भूमिः स्त्रीरूपं धृत्वा तस्य पुरतः प्रकटिता अभवत्. अवदत् च, हे राजेन्द्र, तव पिता दुःशासकः वेनराजः राजधर्मस्य पालनं नाकरोत्. तदा मया चोरलुण्ठकभयात् धनधान्यपुष्पफलानि मम उदरे निहितानि. त्वं तु प्रजाहितदक्षः नृपः. यदि त्वं प्रयत्नेन कृषिकार्यं करोषि तर्हि अहं प्रसन्ना भविष्यामि. अतः धनु त्यज, खनित्राणि, हलान्, कुद्दालकान्, लवित्राणि च हस्ते गृहीत्वा प्रजाजनैः सह कृषिकार्यं कुरु. Then King Prithu strung up or prepared his bow. In the form of a woman, Sri Rupam Dhrutva, Mother Earth appeared there in front of him and said, "O king, your father Vena was a bad ruler and he did not complete or followed his duty. That time, I, being afraid of thieves and all the things like cereals, flowers, fruits, I kept inside me. Because of that bhiti. Bhiti means fear. You are very careful or always sees best or does best for your people. If you Cultivate the land with efforts, then I will be pleased. Therefore give up or drop the bow, and hold axe, plow, spade or hoe, and hold these things in your hand, and with the help of people start cultivating your land. भूमातुः उपदेशं मनसि निधाय पृथुवैन्यः नदीनां मार्गम् अवरुद्ध्य कृषिकार्यार्थं जलस्य उपयोगम् अकरोत्. वृष्टिजलसञ्चयः कृत्वा जलव्यवस्थापनम् अकरोत्. भूमिम् उर्वरतां कर्तुं प्राययत्. तदनन्तरं तस्मिन् क्षेत्रे जनाः धान्यबीजानि अवपन्. स नैकेभ्यः वृक्षेभ्यः विविधप्रकारकाणां बीजानां सङ्कलनं चयनं च परिश्रमेण अकरोत्. अनन्तर बीजानां संस्करणं कृत्वा वपनम् अकरोत्. पर्जन्यानन्तरं बीजेभ्यः अङ्कुराः उद्भूताः. धान्यलाभेन सर्वे प्रजाजनाः सन्तुष्टाः च अभवन्. एषः कल्याणकारी नृपः पृथिव्यां प्रशासने अग्रणीः जनसेवाव्रती च अभवत्. So, after listening to the Mother Earth's advice, having kept that advice in his mind, he stopped the flow of the river and used that water for agriculture. He used the rainwater harvesting, or he stored the rainwater, and by doing this method he did the water management, and he started his land, cultivating his land, and he made his land fertile. After that, on that land people sowed grain seeds. So he collected various grain seeds and sowed many different type of seeds in the land. Then after the rainfall, the seeds put out or shoots, and people were pleased after getting grains or by obtaining grains. So this welfare king became a leading ruler on the earth and a king who served the people. द्वितीयः पाठः व्यसने मित्रपरीक्षा. A friend is tested in calamity. Vyasane means disaster, difficulty or calamity. So a friend is tested in calamity. This story has been taken from Hitopadesha and the author is Narayan Pandit. And in this treatise there are stories of birds and animals. Through these stories author have been taught us ethical values and morals. अस्ति एकं चम्पकं नाम अरण्यम्. अरण्ये चित्रांगो नाम मृगः एकाक्ष नाम काकश्च स्नेहेन निवसतः स्म. एकदा चित्रांगः वने भ्रमन् केनापि शृगालेन अवलोकितः. शूद्रबुद्धिः नाम सः शृगालः स्वार्थहेतुना मृगेण सह मित्रताम् ऐच्छत्. असङ्गते सवितरि शूद्रबुद्धिः मृगेण सह मृगस्य निवासस्थानं गतः. मृगशृगालौ दृष्ट्वा काकः अवदत्, सखे चित्रांग, कः अयं द्वितीयः? मृगः अब्रुत, जम्बुकः अयम्. अस्मत् सख्यम् इच्छति. काकः उपादिशत्. अकस्मात् आगन्तुना सह मित्रता न युक्ता. तद् आकर्ण्य जम्बुकः सकोपम् आह, मृगस्य प्रथमदर्शने भवानपि अपरिचितः एव आसीत्. यथा अयं मृगः मम बन्धुः तथा भवान् अपि. मृगः अब्रवीत्, अलं विवादेन वयं सर्वे आनन्देन एकत्र निवसामः. काकेन उक्तम् एवमस्तु. So there was a champak named Forest, and in that forest there were Chitranga named deer and Ekaksha named crow. So they were living affectionately or happily. But once in the forest, while wandering, that deer, Chitranga named deer, was observed or was seen by the fox. And then that fox was wanted to be a friend with the deer with some selfish motive. So he desires the friendship with that deer with some selfish motive. And when the sun set, deer's residence, the mrugah and the Shrugalah went there. Means deer and that fox went to deer's residence. After seeing this, crow said, "Oh my friend, who is this other one?" Then deer replied, "This is a fox, our new friend." Then crow advised, "Suddenly, with a stranger, friendship is not good." After listening that or having heard that, fox angrily said, "When you first saw the deer, you were stranger for him or unknown for him. Just like that, dear, just like that, I am stranger too, and we will become friends. Deer is my brother, and thus so, you are my brother." Deer said, "Enough this argument. Let's all live together happily." Crow said, "Let it be." एवं अस्तु.